Assalamu alaikum guys, the Loving Family Kitchen here again today, and for you we have a recipe for some chicken couscous. So in a bowl here we've got some couscous into which we'll pour some water, give it a good stir, cover it up and put it to the side for about 20 or so minutes to expand. In the meanwhile we're going to dice up 1.5 onions as finely as we can. We're going to need about 2 to 3 green chilies, and you can cut these however you please, lengthways or finely diced. And you're going to need 1 tomato. Just a regular salad tomato will do, and you can cut that however you please. We now need a hot pan, and into this we're going to pour some oil. Off to the side there, my wife's just poured over another pot which contains some garden peas, which are going to boil whilst we prepare everything else. So in goes the onions, and to that we're going to add about a teaspoon or so of salt. Again, salt to taste. But the salt not only does it add flavour, but it's also going to help to cook down the onions. So we go in with the tomatoes, and we're going to let this cook down. Once it's cooked down, we need to add our spices. So we're going to add to it some turmeric powder, some chili powder, some coriander powder and some cumin powder. Time to go in with the green chilies and the chicken. So here we have some diced up chicken, and we're gonna give that a good old mix, let it all combine. We're going to cook this until the water reduces out of the chicken, and as you can see it's ready for the peas. And here we are, in go the peas. I'm going to give it a good old stir. And we're almost ready to add in our couscous. Here's the couscous, and you're going to want to stir that until it's combined. And in goes some coriander. Give that a good mix until it's all combined, and we're almost ready to eat. Thank you very much for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Salaam.